We have performed linear search algorithm. So what is linear search algorithm? It is basically a simple search technique used for searching an element in array or in a given list. So we find an target element from that array. So there are two types of time complexities of linear search algorithm. The first one is the best one, which is big O1, and the worst one is big O(n). And the advantage is that it is simple technique used for smaller data sets, and the disadvantage is that it is not used, it is inefficient for larger data. We are performing linear search algorithm. So we have this array:
Index 0,
index 1, index 2, index 3,
Index 4,
index 5, index 6, index 7.
Index 8.
So the overall size of our array is 8. We are at 0th index, so the value of 0th index is 2, and here our target value is 68. So this value is not matching to each other, so we are incrementing by 1 and going to the next index. This is at first index, so the value of first index is 70 and the target value is 68, which is also not equals to each other. So we are again incrementing by 1 and moving to the second index. So the value of second index is 54 and the value of our target value is 68, which are also not equal. So we are again going to the next index. So at third index the value is 73 and the target value is 68. This time also the values are not equal to each other. So we are also going by incrementing 1, 1, 1. And after that we are reaching at the 768 and our target value is also 68. So these both values are equal. So the final conclusion is that the final answer of our program is the 7th index, because the value which is target value is equal to the 68, so which is at 7th index. So the final answer is 7th. Now we have changed our target value and now new target value is 102, and now we are comparing the other elements of array with 102. We want the index which has 102 element in that. So now we are comparing it one by one. So here we are in 0th index. So the value of 0th index is 2, which is as you can see this is not equal to each other. So we are moving to the next index. So the next index the value is 70, which is also not equals to 102. So we are moving again to the next index. Now the second index value is 54 and our target value is 102. This is also not matching. So we are simultaneously moving one by one, and we are at the last index. So at 7th index the value is 68 and which is also not matching to 102, which is our target value. So now we can conclude here that the target value goes at the size of the array. End of the set means it goes at the end of the array for searching 102 element. If the element has not found, then it goes back and our program will not run.